Is this an old return piece or something? Hi guys, so this is my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This is one of the harder items to get currently on their website. I was able to get this item through a digital client advisor, so I've been stalking it on the purse forum group, and this one user suggested that if you're searching for something, to email a client advisor or this particular concierge email address. And so on the 12th, so at night, I was stalking the website and I was like, okay, I'm not having any luck. I usually miss the restock by a couple minutes because in the purse forum group there are some users on there that will tell you when they're restocking, or like they'll post and you can kind of see the trend. So like I've been seeing it posted on at 2 p.m, 8 p.m, and 11 p.m, but I didn't have any luck every time I would go on the site because usually things are sold out within minutes. And so I decided to email the email address that the user had put in the group, and the client advisor, her name is Victoria. She responded to me like within minutes. I was surprised, and so she kind of like asked me for just some information, and then said that if you'd like to proceed with the order, just to email that information back, and then I would have like an hour to pay for the item through the website. And as soon as I got the email, I paid for it. And then she did state in the original email that it was going to take about 21 days or so for the item to arrive, but I ordered it on April 12th and today is April 14th and it's already here. It was an overnight shipment, so I'm super excited and thankful. This is a treat for myself. This is my first Louis Vuitton and a treat for myself for getting a new job pretty much. So it comes in this box here. UPS delivered it, and then this, I believe, is just receipt and yeah, just receipt and information about the item, I guess. I don't want to open it because it probably has my address and other information. So it comes wrapped like this. It's so cute. It definitely looks like a gift packaging. So I purchased it from Louis Vuitton before for my parents, so I didn't really care for the store experience or anything, so it's still really nice to get it packaged like this. I'm gonna try to open it. I'm filming on my desk, so it's a little bit different from my other setup. So I'm gonna open, push this down a little. Comes with the dust bag. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So we have here, I wonder if this is with the day code or not. It's just the back of that. I'm just inspecting it to make sure there's no flaw or anything. Is this an old return piece or something? Or does it look like that usually? So here is the inside. So and then the sticker. Let me see. Okay, so this one does have the date code. Usually it doesn't, or not usually, but in the recent ones, like the new collection, they only have like the microchip or something. So here it is, a day code, so SF0291. So 2021 in the 9th week of this year. I'm super excited. I just want to make sure that everything looks good. So this does look different. It is like a cream color, like a light cream color instead of like all white, which I love. I'm super duper excited. I'm expecting another shipment today for my Toy Loulou from Saint Laurent, so hopefully I can use it together. But I did see like someone say it might not fit or it doesn't fit, so that's okay. I'm so stoked. This is my first item from Louis Vuitton. If you're searching for a rare item, or you know, a piece like this or similar, I would suggest going on Purse Forum and just reading that group. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. You can message me or contact me on Instagram as well. I can help answer any questions and help you search for your item. There's so I'm also on the hunt for a Nano Speedy, and the yeah, pretty much the Nano Speedy. I do have the Palm Springs Mini on my list, but I don't want to spend the full $2,000 on it yet. But I've been seeing those come in stock as well, so yeah, everything looks great. If you have a mini pochette, could you let me know in the description below if you use like a liner or insert for this? I do want to keep it clean, and yeah. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you know, what are some of your wish lists for this year? Thank you.